Hi everyone, my name is Julia and today I'm going to be showing you all of the products that annual members can pick in customized category 5 of the summer FabFitFun box. And do stick around until the end of this video because I have a super special promo code for you, so stay tuned for that. But first, let's get into the products. I have the SOAR Desk Pad for you guys. So I know that with a lot of us working from home, it's easy to get distracted, to work from our beds or from the couch watching Netflix, which is really nice for the flexibility, but I do find myself getting a lot more distracted and not being able to focus on my work as much. And so I've been reading a lot about environment design, and having a dedicated workspace is really good when you want to really focus on the work, be more productive. So this is a super cute desk pad that I'm super excited to incorporate into my workspace. It's just gonna help me keep everything in its dedicated location and keep my space free of distractions so I can focus on my work. I am also a YouTuber, so I spend long hours on the computer editing my videos, and having that dedicated workspace really helps me stay focused and get those videos up once a week. And what's really cool about this product is that it also doubles as a mouse pad. So having that mouse control, you already got that covered as well. The next product I have is a skincare favorite, the AHAVA Essential Day Moisturizer for Combination Skin. This one is a super lightweight gel consistency. It is made with aloe vera, so it's very good for soothing irritation. And this is perfect for acne-prone skin. So if that's a skin issue that you struggle with, this might be perfect for you. We also have the AHAVA Essential Day Moisturizer for normal to dry skin as well, which is more universal. This one is more of a cream texture, but it's still super lightweight. You can pick whichever one you prefer based on your skin. Next up, we have the Grace and Stella Pink Eye Masks. This one I'm super excited about for whenever I want to take an extra day to really recharge and do a little spa day at home. They are eye masks that reduce puffiness and dark circles and make your skin feel awake and bright. And I am personally really excited to use them and do my nails and listen to a guided meditation or even a podcast and just relax a little bit. But if you want something that's more everyday, you can pick the Grace and Stella If Eyes Could Smile Eye Cream. This is a perfect staple. You can use it in the morning and at night. It's also great on the go, and it comes in really cute pink packaging, so I'm really excited just to have this on my vanity. It's a perfect staple to include to your skincare routine. Next up, we have the Cuccio Cuticle Oil. This is an area that I personally don't take very good care of, so I was really excited about this product. And this is an oil that you put on your cuticles to have a little manicure moment at home. You can take care of them yourself. It is also made with honey, which naturally helps lock in moisture. So love that. So now let's take a look at some of the throwbacks that are returning for this category. And those are all of the products that you can pick on customized category 5. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as promised, the code that I said in the beginning is close up. So you can use that to get some money off your first box. So please let me know what you guys are picking on the comments below. I feel like there are so many great products in this category, so I don't know what I'm picking. So I always love reading you guys' comments. You help me decide. And I hope I see you next season. Bye.